Gabriel Auto Technician of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days of summer.
Okay,
Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types of maintenance and repairs for your auto and truck. Air conditioning, heating, tune-ups,
Jeep
brakes,
Grand
transmission,
Cherokee
cooling
Laredo.
systems,
We're
fan
gonna
belts, ball
replace the
joints.
Pulley,
If it's on the car,
idler
Gabriel
pulley,
Auto
and
can
the
fix
belt
it or
tensioner
replace it.
assembly.
Featuring
Right
computerized
here,
diagnostics.
this one,
Gabriel Auto
this
Technician, 413
So let's
Highway
do it.
100, Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights.
Para que se pueda ver mejor, okay? I'm gonna put the camera closer so you can see how I'm gonna remove this one, because right there, there's no way you can see it. You can see it. Let's do it right there. See, I need to remove this Torx bolt and this bolt right here on the middle. Vamos a quitar este tornillo de aquí y este de aquí para quitar la polea loca y el tensor completo de la banda, okay? Este es un 15 y este es un Torx. This is a Torx and this is 15. Let me see what was the size of this Torx. Okay, this one it's a T40. This is a Torx 40. Este es un T40, Torx 40. Y este es un 15 right here. It's a 15. I think it's a little bit rusty. Right there. Now let's remove it. Remove the nut. Right there. The nut, the bolt. Vamos a quitar este idler aquí. Vamos a aflojar el tornillo. Right there. Okay. We just need to remove this part from here. And install the new one. Right there. This is the part number for this idler. Este es el número de parte en Gates para esta polea loca. Okay, right there. This one, it comes with an adapter, but we're not gonna use this adapter. We're gonna save it because some cars don't have this adapter. Okay, now I'm not gonna use the adapter because it's too big, and I'm not gonna use this washer on this one. See, no voy a usar esta rondana porque va a pegar aquí. See, if I use this one, it's gonna hit right there. So I'm just gonna use the bolt just like that. I need a washer for this. This one, the bolt it's a little bit short, and I'm not gonna use this one unless I can cut it around a little bit. I don't want to cut it. I'm gonna use a washer, a flat washer, to hold it right there. ¿Sí? Voy a usar una rondana para detenerlo ahí, porque este no cabe ahí. Este trae una forma diferente. See, as you can see, this form right here, and this one fits right there, but not on this one. So I'm gonna use a flat washer to hold to hold it right there. Okay, now let's put it in. Put it in right there. See, it's okay, not a problem. Ahí quedó, no hay ningún problema. Vamos a quitar el tensor. Let's remove the tensioner. We need to push this one in and hit. Maybe we need to hit this bolt a little bit to get it loose. Okay. Let me hold this one right here. Right there. Hit it. Okay. Now let's remove it. Let's remove it. Right there.
Gabriel Auto Technician of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types of maintenance and repairs for your auto and truck. Air conditioning, heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission, cooling systems, fan belts, ball joints.
With something to get it loose. Maybe it's got rust. Okay, this is the part number for the tensioner assembly. Este es el número parte para el tensor, pero lo que les quiero enseñar ahorita es que tal vez tenga óxido aquí adentro en esta parte. See, maybe it's got some rust in there, maybe not, and it's causing the bolt to not turn. So I'm gonna hit right here on this part and right here on the bolt, right here on the bolt, and right here on this one, so I can get it loose a little bit. Okay, let's hit it right here, a little bit. Not so much because you could break the aluminum. Let me put some lubricant, see if it helps. Right there. And right there in between. Okay, now let me see if it can get loose. Okay. Let me hit it a little bit more. Okay. I don't know why they put this kind of a bolt, because we got plenty of room. Nothing hits the head right here. I don't know, these guys put that kind of that head on that bolt, ¿sí? No sé por qué pusieron este tornillo, ese tornillo con esa cabeza. Okay, it's going. You need to pull it, see? You need to pull it, like kind of give a small pulls. Necesitan darle como un jaloncitos leves hasta que afloje, ¿sí? No de un golpe jalarle duro, porque eso hace que se tuerza el tornillo, y si está bien agarrado adentro de óxido se va a romper. So we got it out. Let's remove it. See? We don't have any rust right here. The only it's right here that it's so dry. So let's remove it. Vamos a sacarlo. Tiene una liga ahí para detener el tornillo. It's got a no ring to hold the bolt in place. So we got it out. This one was making noise. See? You can hear it. And this one too. See? You can hear it. It's not loose or play, or it doesn't have any play or something. It's dry inside. So let's push the bolt right here. Vamos a poner el tornillo aquí y le vamos a poner el O-ring para ayudar un poquito que no se caiga el tornillo, okay? Let's push the O-ring all the way in. We got the bolt in with the O-ring. Let me clean this part. It's a little bit rusty. Not where the bolt goes, it's not so rusty. Now let's put the tensioner. Vamos poniendo el tensor. Let me put some lubricant. I'm gonna put some lubricant right here on the thread so it helps a little bit. Okay, let's get it tight. Vamos a apretarlos right there. Not so tight, just tight enough, because the thread is aluminum. Right there, we got it. This one installed. Now let's put the idler pulley. Ahora vamos a poner la polea loca. Right there. Let's put this one in here. Okay. Let's get this one tight. Right there. Ya tenemos nuestro tensor y nuestra polea loca. We got our tensioner and our idler pulley
reminds you to be
right
ready
there.
for the hot days of
See,
summer.
it's turning
Get your
fine.
preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types of maintenance repairs for your auto
alternator.
and air conditioning, heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission,
Okay, we got
cooling systems,
these
fan
parts
belts, ball
on.
joints.
We
If
got
it's on the car,
the
Gabriel
harmonic
Auto can
balancer
fix
down
it
there.
or
We
replace
got
it,
this one.
featuring computerized
Pulley, the
diagnostics.
porcelain pulley,
Gabriel
and
Auto
another
Technician,
videos.
413
So that's it.
Highway 100,
Let's put the
Laguna
belt.
Heights. That's
Vamos a
Gabriel
poner la
Auto
banda ahora
Technician,
para terminar ya
Highway
este
100
video,
in
¿ok?
Laguna
Muchas gracias por ver el video. No se olviden de suscribirse. Vamos a poner la banda. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put a like on the video so YouTube can put it top. Other people like you can watch the video. Okay, so now let's put the belt. A poner la banda. Okay, so let's put the belt. here. We got it in place. Right there. Going to start the engine. Make sure everything works fine. I need to put this duct too. Let me put it already. Okay, right there. Let me start the engine. Alright, it's running. It's so quiet now. Ahí está prendida. Está tan calmada ahora, ya no está chillando. Right there. Let's connect this hose. We got it ready to fly.
Are you in need of auto repair? Or do you just want
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for watching my channel and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Gracias por mirar mis videos, mi canal y gracias por suscribirse. Si no están suscritos, suscríbanse y pónganle un me gusta a los videos para que yo pueda los suba más arriba, para que otra gente como ustedes mire los videos. Okay, gracias.
Technician, Gabriel Auto Technician. Gabriel Auto Technician in Laguna Heights.